Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Okay, so in today's video we are at Walmart and we're looking at the seasonal items. So come on with me, guys. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who've known me for a while or even from the very beginning, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. So always remember that every time you click the like button and full watch a video and even share the video, this helps me to grow. And commenting below just lets me know how you're enjoying the video. I'm absolutely loving the items at Walmart. So I hope you enjoyed the shopping trip as much as I enjoy showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video.